2025 is coming to a close, and there's so many things to be excited about on the Jeep front, but also the Ram and Dodge front. If you haven't seen me before, I'm Jonathan Sewell Sales. I'm at Mitchell, Chrysler, Dodge, Ram, and Jeep in Enterprise, Alabama, and I appreciate all the support from those who have seen me. And maybe after this video, you'll choose to follow me as well. We've got a lot of things with Jeep happening this year. This was my first full year at the dealership here, as I've mostly spent my tenure with imports. So it was good to be back on a domestic brand, even though the challenges that those bring, especially in pricing and content creation and reliability and all the things that go with a domestic brand. But you've joined me, most of you, and I appreciate that. Just wanted to share a few things as we roll into the new year. Of course, tomorrow, January 1st, expect the TRX is coming back and the reveal of the TRX. So it will be officially announced tomorrow, and I'm not sure. I've heard that there won't be a spec change, then I've heard there is going to be a spec change as far as horsepower, torque rating. So we'll see. Do look forward to maybe some new colors and new features, which will be exciting. As far as the Jeep front, if you'll remember the Commando 392 from Fox Factory, they have closed all the applications. I've been getting a lot of questions about this. They've closed all the applications, over 4,000 applicants for the Jeep Commando 392. And of course, this is the one that was only for veterans or active military service. And Jeep, who's been closed these last couple of weeks, have a third-party company that it's picking the winners. So they'll pick the 249 winners. So if you have applied, you should be hearing from them probably within the month, and then, you know, get your exact spec and things like that. So more information that I have, the more I will pass on to you. Also excited, we just got the 6-pack Dodge Charger. As you've seen some videos, there's more on YouTube coming. As you hear, there's some already excited about the new year, and got some fireworks popping all around. Some right over there, actually. So that's exciting. I'm finishing up here with you guys, but thank you again for a blessed 2025. 2026 is looking to be good. We've got that 6-pack coming out, the 4-door Charger. Chrysler, some questions on Chrysler. Will it be more than just a van brand? But that one's got a lot with it. And I think it will. So we'll have more information from Chrysler coming. Again, thank you everybody for the support for this first full year. Look forward to an exciting 2026 and the finale of the fireworks over there. I think it's a good point to end. And for more content on CDJR and anything and everything, follow Jonathan Sewell Sales. Happy New Year.